With the CONCACAF Gold Cup semi-final coming up for Jamaica, I want to talk about that penalty call against Panama that put us into the semi-final. Now, first of all, I think it was a harsh call against the Panamanian defender. But according to the recent change to the handball rule, it was a penalty. But that mini scuffle amongst the Jamaican players as to who should have taken the penalty, Kemar Taxi Lawrence was the first to grab up the ball. Mattox was there. Junior Flemings was in the mix. Then Shamar Nicholson came into the picture. Even Michael Hector was in the discussion. Now, from my understanding, Mattox was the designated penalty taker on the field at the time. So this thing where Taxi Lawrence arrests the ball like him is a cop. And everybody else who tried to run in, their actions only pressurize the situation. For sure, Mattox just came onto the field and has not been playing regularly. And people are talking more about him complexion than about him football. But as the designated penalty taker who was on the field, Mattox did the right thing by taking charge of the situation. And under pressure, he executed the penalty kick brilliantly, like any goal scorer or centre forward should. I think the centre forwards should always take the penalties. Any centre forward who shies away from taking a penalty in the wrong business. Yes, scoring goals is our business. It is what we do as centre forwards.